1978 MG Midget 1500. I just finished her up. She's looking stunning now. I got her as a project. She was barely running. She's looking brilliant right now. I've done a lot of work to her. I put a brand new soft top on it, a full new black and white interior, so that's looking lovely. Polished old seats up and restored them. She's got new door cards. Bodywork, haven't done much to it. Tried to give it a polish. It's looking a little bit cloudy, but it's looking lovely compared to what it was. I got it as a barn find, and she had moss all over her. I put a brand new fresh set of tyres all around for the next owner. It's got these lovely rear aftermarket tail light tidies. They look lovely. I don't think the exhaust is standard, but that's by the previous owner. In the boot, it's got all of the spare wheel, a spare fuel tank, because these cars still run unleaded, so you need to add the mixture. It's got all the original tunos and half covers and full covers. So, mechanically wise, I've given her a full service, changed all the oils, the differential, the gearbox, the engine. So she's running a renewed ignition system, new spark plugs, HT leads, distributed cap, things like that. I've adjusted the carburetor so she runs and idles perfectly. I'm really impressed that this car even has a heater, even works, so that's lovely for this cold Scottish winters. I put this lovely new aftermarket girl on from eBay, really smartens her up. She, I don't know if you've noticed, is a debumpered version. So it's got the what's called square wheel arch at the back there. I'm loving these cars. Everything is so mechanical. These gauges are so small and so cute. So let's fire up. Also has the original manual to come with it. I do love this interior. It gives the car that extra specialness. Do love how mechanical these cars are. They just sound so brilliant. Well, I must say, I really do love working on classic cars. I'll be sad to see her go, but I'm sure the next owner will enjoy her as much as I have. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.